Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
I'm not sure how clear this is gonna be because it is night, but hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm Renouy from Fun with Yan and Ren, and today is her birthday, so I'm gonna be picking her up from work. I'm leaving work as well. We are gonna be having a nice little birthday dinner. Because of circumstances, we had to cancel certain plans, so this little dinner is somewhat of a, not a backup plan, but it's like it's just something that came up on the fly and we're gonna work with it. So, like I said, I am currently leaving work, going to pick her up, so see you guys in a bit. See you guys in a bit. Hello.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Where am I, dear? I'm in the Texaco. Coming.
Gas station?
Yeah. Coming. Yeah.
Ouch. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie artichoke.
What? What?
Okie dokie artichoke.
Whatever that is. Alright.
Yeah. No jacket. The jacket was just for work. No idea how this is gonna look. First time vlogging with the Sony A7 III. You guys don't care about cameras, but yeah, we're about to go inside and see if we can, if hopefully they're fine with us recording, and see if we can get some food. So here we go. Where's the office? I see the office, but there's no.
Normal temperature.
Huh?
Normal temperature.
That place was the burn of a Italian restaurant, Evita's.
Ah.
Because when you walk in, it was a wood.
Good morning. Yes, we are. So there's this black thing in my hand. I don't know if it's an issue for me to have the black thing in my hand.
We taking pictures?
Ah.
The only issue is that you can't really take pictures until
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, that's a waste of
and some people aren't really comfortable with being in some photos.
in the photo.
Yes.
That's fine. We don't have intentions of taking photos of it.
It's not a photo shoot. It's,
No.
it's just that it's something that we do. Good evening. Yeah, we're waiting on. We did not get her name.
Her name, yeah. She
But-
said she was coming.
You're taking care of her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Thanks. What
We're
you want
gonna
to
see.
say? Wow.
some of these verses. I'm gonna sit here. Them.
Pumpkin with chicken.
Alright, no adding.
Sure. You say you don't want no drinks now?
No, I don't want
I
any
just
drinks.
want drinks for right now because my menu was taking a while to load.
No.
See, breakfast
Oh, yeah,
and
no,
lunch
no,
is still like it just not good for me.
What would you?
So guys, if we didn't say it, which I don't think we did, we are at Marina Palms, formerly, again it's her birthday. We're at Marina Palms, which is for, I don't know why I'm bending down because I think you can't see my head without me having to do this. But we're at Marina Palms, formerly known as Yacht Club. I'd love to show you guys around, but we were given strict instructions that we can't film the boats and stuff. So maybe we can walk around the grounds, or we can't film the boats and such, which is really fine. There was no big plans for a video or whatever for this particular day. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy a nice meal, romantic dinner, and I'm not dressed in my work clothes as she thought I would have been.
But I was
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And are you having the orange juice?
Did you want it?
Alright. Enjoy then, guys.
Thank
Do
you.
you know how to open it?
Listen, I would play around until I figure it out. Oh, you're
Let me show
figuring.
you first. Then just push your finger through here. Then you squeeze it. Then you snap it.
Hold on, what? Wait, what? Push your finger through here.
Yeah. Maybe heat it because it doesn't have
The fingernail, yeah.
Finger through there and do it.
Push it through here. Somehow it's hard.
To pinch it.
Sorry. And
Ah.
then it's
Oh, to stop it that way. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Thank you.
Okay, let's go. How is it?
Very alcoholic.
Last month. I don't remember. I think it was last month. But not like we in the last month, like last week. Last month. I love you, man. I love you too, there.
Few moments later.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
Is it in your shot? Hmm?
Ready for the shot?
Yeah?
Or you want me to do it?
No, I want you to do it now.
No?
Yeah.
Count me up.
1, 2, 3, and go. Hey guys, we want to thank you very much for joining and celebrating Yanique's birthday with me, with us. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm Renouy.
And I'm Yanique.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
This is Renouy.
And Yanique.
And we want to thank you guys so much for getting us to 200 subscribers on YouTube. We really appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed, run over to YouTube and look for our channel, Fun with Yana and Ren. Hit the subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah? You know the vibe? Thank you guys again.
Have a great day.
Bye.